Hi guys, and welcome again to Unboxing Canada. So we have another box here we're gonna open right now. I hope you guys will like my channel, share it, subscribe if you enjoy opening new boxes. So because I'm opening a lot of boxes, so day by day I started learning how to open a box using one hand. Next time maybe what I'll do is I'll just use my GoPro camera and put it on my head, and use two hands. So we have this box. We'll see what's inside. All right. Whoa, that's another iPhone. Cool. All right, so this is an iPhone, and let's see what is it came. It's iPhone 7, and that's 128 gigabyte. That's cool, guys. Let's see, 128. That's amazing. Okay. So this is how the iPhone looks. It's cool, amazing. Yes, it's great. It's really great. I love iPhones. Oh, it's a second-hand use. Sure. But it looks like brand new. So basically, these are returned items, so I buy them. It's cool. Let's see, I hope you guys enjoyed. You enjoyed the channel and you share it with everyone, and I hope you guys enjoy opening new boxes. Share, subscribe, press on the bell, and like our channel. Thank you, and hope to see you again in our next video, Unboxing Canada. Thanks.